Okay, in our first part of this series on why did the dealer not able to get this thing to cold start, we released a short on it. Now we're going to give you part two. In that first part, we did a ohms resistance check on the glow plugs.
Yeah.
We also checked for air in the fuel system and had none.
Yeah.
So we did all the basic checks. We also checked to verify high pressure oil was good on startup. That was all good. We got into this and the dealer had replaced twice the glow plugs for the customer. They installed an engine. It never started right cold. They put glow plugs in it twice and new harnesses and couldn't get it. Ohms resistance test came back positive, all good.
Yep.
But when we went a step further and did a load test on the circuit, we had no load. It would give us a spike and then the load would drop. Tell us what you found, dude, because it's everybody. It's genius, it's easy, it's simple. What the fault was, in fact, it's ridiculously simple, but it's difficult to find. Tell us.
Yeah. So what we found, we pulled the glow plugs out. These are the 4 glow plugs I got out of the left bank. These are the 4 I got out of the right bank.
What's the first thing you notice on them, folks? See how these are all clean? And these are all carboned up. Now remember, our problem was, now it's all, in hindsight, it's easy to figure out. Our load, under a load, we wouldn't have a load. It wouldn't take a load. And the reason was, it's all right here.
Yeah, the reason is here is we didn't have a good ground. We didn't have a good connection to ground. So as soon as you got all that amperage applied to the glow plug, since you have a weak ground, it's not going to work.
These glow plugs, and that's what all this carbon is, they weren't seated down, they weren't tightened. A guy put them in, a couple threads, kept moving. It happens all the time. We put a bolt on something, we don't tighten it down and torque it right. That's why we use paint marks. You guys know I paint every bolt that needs to be torqued. So think of it this way. It's kind of like when you're going to jump start a car and you got your clamps on here, and all of a sudden it'll give you a big click, but then it goes away. It's because you didn't have a tight connection. The ground on this circuit is these threads. They needed to be tight, they weren't. It really was as simple as a loose bolt.